Alright guys, we have the E-1, we have KM axles, we have leaf springs, we have aftermarket shocks for C24s, the C series, and then we have D12 shocks, we have metal drive shafts, we have a BMX bike, we have an extra battery, we got a WPL box, we got a little missile. And then we got the tow chain in here. And then there's also a Coke bottle in there. But yeah, we're gonna do a little driving. We got the fishing pole over here. We got the net. But yeah, little scale adventure. Let's go. If you guys are wondering where I got the BMX bike, that is from Monkey Gun RC on TikTok. There will be links below in the description for all the parts that I have in the back of my E-1, plus the E-1 will be, a link will be there for that too.